Hey, so here I am with the Redmi Watch 3 Active, and let me show you how you can change your straps. So first of all, I'm gonna zoom in to show you how it looks. Okay, so on each side, when we want to attach this bands, we can find small holes. Just right here, take a look, right here, and also right here. And on these holes, we have to input this silver pins. So if you want to do this, first, hold your device like this. Now, try to put this left side into this hole, in this position. When you put it right there, like in my case, take a look, you have to move this silver part to the right side, like this. And then put this right side right here. And then release. And when it jumps out, just repeat. So move it to the right side, put it inside, try to release, and try to move it a little bit into the right side, so it will jump like this. And let me repeat with this second strap. Okay, so put this left side into the hole, like this. And when you do this correctly, you will have to move into this silver knob, move it to the left side, and then put this one, and then move it to the right side. Okay, and right now it jumps in, and that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.